Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Nuget Package Manager into your Visual Studio if you can't find it in your tools and in your Nuget Package Manager over here. To do that, we should configure and modify our Visual Studio installation. So first of all, I should close my Visual Studio and come to my control panel. This is my control panel and my programs and features 2019 for my Visual Studio, and currently this is my Visual Studio. And in addition, if your Visual Studio is 2017, you should select it. This is my Visual Studio and come to change. As I told you, the package manager and Nuget is the integrated and pre-installed feature of Visual Studio. So if you can't find it, you should configure your Visual Studio installation. Now let's do it. And here you can see the installation window. Let's close this one. Over here I can see the different installed versions of Visual Studio on my Windows. So I want to change this one and come over here, more, and modify. So let's be patient and come to individual components and scroll down. So I can see the Nuget package manager over here, and currently I installed it, so it's checked. And if your Visual Studio haven't this package manager, so this component is not selected, check that, and after that come to modify and click on it like this. And remember, for installation and for configuring the Visual Studio, you should be connected to the internet, and after that the Visual Studio will install it automatically. And my intention of this course is not talking about how to install the Visual Studio. I just want to talk about how to configure it for installation of the Nuget package manager. So after a couple of minutes, the Visual Studio will install it, and I can see the installation process over here. So the installation process is time consuming. Stay with me. Welcome back. I successfully configured and modified my Visual Studio installation. Now everything is ready for me. So close this one after it and close this and run your Visual Studio normally. And let's open my last project. This is my last project. It's not important which project, C# or VB.NET. Both you can do it. So come to tools, and after that you can see your Nuget package manager over here and its content over here. Congratulations, finally we could install and configure our Visual Studio for adding the Nuget package manager to it. Now it's time to start working with the package manager and enjoy working with it. Stay with me. See you soon.